Hey, welcome back from my home to your home. Hey, I've been loving all the support. I've been loving all the subscribers. I love everything that y'all doing, man. Hey, it's gonna continue to keep me going, but today I got one of my favorite meals. I'm talking about, ooh, it's real deal. You know what I mean? It's real deal. So, thanks for tuning in and continue to keep tuning in. So what we have here is brown sugar, garlic, salt, grapeseed oil, onion powder, dried out parsley, paprika, and garlic powder. So what we have here, this is the chicken from the chicken broth. Freshly picked parsley with bay leaves. You gotta have 2 oranges. This is 100% premium beef sausage with green onion. This is Texas Gulf shrimp with tomato on the vine, green beans with some orange, bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, white onion with some green zucchini. Hey, I hope y'all enjoyed another episode from my home to your home. What I need y'all to do is, get in that comment box and give me some ideas or requests, whatever you want to call it. On some things that y'all probably would like to see me cook. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for all the love and all the subscribers and everything that y'all doing, man. Y'all keeping me going. All right?